Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best indoor putting greens that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Izzo Golf 3-foot by 9-foot 3-hole putting mat. This mat is designed for golfers who want to practice their putting from multiple angles and distances, thanks to its kidney shape and 3 cutout practice cups. The built-in sand trap cutouts add a fun challenge while catching missed shots. The durable felt-like material mimics the feel of a real putting green, offering smooth and true rolls every time. The design is straightforward and compact, making it easy to set up and store. At just 3 pounds, it's lightweight but sturdy enough for regular use. While the material is durable, it's not as plush or premium as some higher-end models, which is something to keep in mind if you're looking for a more realistic green speed experience. However, for its price point of $49.28, it delivers solid performance and is perfect for casual golfers or beginners. Pros include its affordability, simplicity, and portability. However, the mat could benefit from a higher quality surface and a more advanced ball return system, which some of the higher-ranked options offer. Overall, the Izzo Golf putting mat is a great entry-level option for those looking to practice their putting indoors without breaking the bank. Coming in at number 4 is the Colruyt Putting Green Indoor Golf Putting Mat. This mat stands out for its emphasis on durability and realistic green speed simulation. Made from wrinkle-free materials with a plush surface, it replicates a real green speed of 10 to 15 yards. The solid wood construction adds a premium feel, ensuring it won't crack or deform over time like some plastic alternatives. The automatic ball return system is particularly noteworthy, offering 2 ways to return the ball: a curved return tail and a storage box. The Colruyt mat provides practice distances ranging from 2 to 7.5 feet, making it suitable for golfers of all skill levels. It's easy to assemble and highly portable, fitting seamlessly into an office, recreation room, or even a patio. With a price of $45.89, it's a well-rounded option that blends affordability with quality. However, the mat may not be ideal for advanced golfers seeking longer practice distances or higher-end features. Pros include its smooth surface, solid wood frame, and versatile ball return system. Cons are its shorter practice distances and lack of multiple cup options. Overall, the Colruyt mat strikes an excellent balance between quality and price, making it a strong contender for casual and intermediate golfers. At number 3, we have the Yukon Putting Green Indoor. This mat is a standout option for golfers looking for durability and performance. Featuring a solid wood base and anti-wrinkle natural rubber mat, it offers a premium practice experience. The velvet surface is smooth and gradient-lined, allowing for seamless practice with realistic challenges. The automatic ball return system and magnetic tracks make retrieval effortless, saving you time and energy. The Yukon mat accommodates practice distances from 2 to 7.5 feet, making it versatile for golfers of different skill levels. It's easy to fold and store, perfect for home or office use. Priced at $49.99, it's slightly more expensive than basic models, but offers added value through its high-quality materials and thoughtful design. On the downside, it has only 1 hole, which limits variety in practice. Pros include its solid wood construction, wrinkle-free surface, and convenience-focused features. Cons are its single-hole design and slightly higher price point. If you're looking for a durable indoor putting mat with premium features and excellent build quality, the Yukon mat is a great choice. At number 2, we have the Par 3 Golf Putting Green by Putabout. This budget-friendly option is perfect for golfers who want a simple yet effective practice mat. The kidney-shaped design adds variety to your practice routine, while the 3 cup cutouts and sand trap cutouts encourage precision and accuracy. Manufactured from PET resin, the surface stays smooth and provides consistent rolls. With its non-skid backing and compact design, the Par 3 mat is easy to set up and store. It measures 3 feet by 9 feet, offering ample space for practice without taking up too much room. At just $38.34, it's the most affordable option on this list, making it ideal for beginners or those on a budget. However, it lacks advanced features like automatic ball return or premium construction, which may be important to more serious golfers. Pros include its affordability, smooth surface, and thoughtful design for casual practice. Cons are its lack of advanced features and less durable material compared to higher-end models. If you're looking for a straightforward and budget-friendly putting mat, the Par 3 golf putting green is hard to beat. Finally, at number 1, we have the Dacanis putting green indoor mat. This premium option offers the best blend of features, design, and user experience. Made with a hand-polished solid wood frame and wrinkle-free velvet natural rubber mat, it delivers a luxurious and durable feel. The automatic ball return system is top-notch, simulating a golf course ramp to return the ball efficiently, saving practice time. The mat includes 2 holes of different sizes, 1 small hole for accuracy practice and 1 larger hole for a realistic golf course experience. Markings at 2, 4, 6, and 8 feet help golfers improve their accuracy and consistency. The foldable design makes it easy to store, and the wrinkle-free surface ensures long-term durability. At $59.57, it's the most expensive option on the list, but its high-end features and build quality justify the price. Pros include its premium materials, advanced ball return system, and versatile practice features. Cons are its higher price and slightly bulkier design compared to simpler models. If you're serious about improving your putting skills, the Dacanis mat is the ultimate choice for both beginners and seasoned golfers. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.